Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I attain this look. This tutorial is beginners friendly. I try to show in great detail how this look was attained. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment, and your feedbacks are highly welcome. Okay guys, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to be brushing out my natural brows, and then I'm going to be lining my brows using David's pen tool in number 18. When lining the brows, it's very important that you follow the shape of your natural brow. Next, I'm just going to be filling up the brows using the same David's pen tool in number 18. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Milani brow filler just to fill up the places the brown pencil probably didn't get to. So to line, I normally use Eyebrow concealer for this. I use Eyebrow concealer in color creamy beige, and also use a very angled brush for this. I like this angled brush because it has really flat edges. I don't know if you can see that, and it really does the job. So for the upper part of my brows, I usually use my face foundation, and I do this because when using the foundation at the end of the day on your face, you want to make sure that everything blends in properly, and this works best for me. Now I'm just going to be blending everything into my skin using my Real Technique brush, and you can also use this concealer as a primer base for your eyeshadow. It works really well. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my concealer as my eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to be blending this properly into my crease. To my crease, I'm going to be adding my first transition color, and then I'm going to be building that up and also blending it out properly into my crease. I'm also adding a darker transition color and blending everything out seamlessly and flawlessly. To blend the transition color to my crease properly, I'm going to be going over it with my benign setting powder just to make sure that everything is well blended. Next, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite eyeshadow color, and I'm going to be packing it up until you can visually see it. Also, to achieve maximum pigmentation, I would recommend that you tap it in properly into the crease. Now I'm just going in with my darker transition color that I used earlier, and I'm just blending everything out. Now the next in line is to draw my eyeliner. I always draw my wings first, then line my natural lash line. For my foundation routine, I like to start with moisturizing my face with a face primer and then gently massaging everything into my skin. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is actually my first time trying out this foundation. To highlight, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, the one I've previously used on my eyes as well earlier. And I'm going to be highlighting my under eyes, my forehead, my nose, and blend everything properly with a beauty blender. To blend in, I'm going to set using Benign Luxury Powder. I'm just going to put that on my under eyes, my forehead, on my nose, and everywhere I highlighted. To contour, I'm going to be using this contour palette from Beige Cosmetic, and then I'm going to be using this dark one I'm showing you there to contour my nose and also my forehead and few places I like to contour. So this step for the lips is actually optional. You can skip this part, but I do like to use my setting powder on my lips just to make it last longer and also to prevent any form of breakage. Now I'm just using my powder brush to blend everything together. To highlight my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose, I'm going to be using two different highlights. First, I'm going in with my M.A.C highlight in shade Global Glow. Next, I'm using the Inglot Sparkling Dust highlight for the second highlight. I really like it. Really good. Gives you that glow.